How to deactivate your Instagram account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So this means you will be temporarily taking a break from the Instagram and you can recover your account wherever you want. So let me show you how you can do this. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch the Instagram application by tapping onto the app icon. And once your Instagram application launches, you will need to click onto the profile picture at the bottom right. Now in this particular home screen, that is your profile page, you will need to click onto these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner, which will lead you to settings and activity. Now inside settings and activity, you will need to click onto account center right here at the top, and within account center you can scroll down until you find this option that says personal details. So simply click onto personal details, and from here choose account ownership and control, and under the account ownership and control you can see the option of deactivation or deletion. So simply choose this and then choose the account, and then from here choose the first option, that is deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary. It means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it. Then click onto this continue option, verify yourself, and your account will be successfully deactivated. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.